Hello planners, in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I got a couple of parcels from Filofax, and as a Filofax Ambassador I get the opportunity to be able to experience the products that they have. So let's go. I'm going to show you my desk only because I'm going to stand up to be able to open these parcels. Now I did get two parcels here, so one is heavier than the other, so I'm thinking I'll open this one first. I'm presuming the main attraction will be on the other box. Okay, so carefully use my utility knife and careful not to cut through. I should probably get sharper blades for this one. I haven't changed the blades on this for a long time. Alright, so let me just pop the lid back on, get rid of some of the... Okay, so I think this is the Garden ballpoint pen from the Garden collection. I have a Moonlight ballpoint pen, couple of Ollie clips. So this one's from the Garden and this one is from the Botanical, or probably best that way. So Garden, Botanical. So I'll just set that aside over here and get the other box. Very excited to see what's in here. So I do have an idea because they just released a new collection and I have been seeing the new collection popping up on Instagram, on Facebook, and of course on their website. So I'm going to take the box out of the shot and then one by one bring in the product. So we have an Ollie magnetic clip, trying to make sure the glare isn't on the plastic. So that's a pretty color. Then we have Filofax dividers for A5, set of 6. We have 8 sheets of stickers. We have sticky notes. Oh, this pen is beautiful. Norfolk. So the collection is called Norfolk, and this is the Norfolk. I hope I'm saying it all right. No, Norfolk ballpoint pen. So let me just set these aside, and then this is just so beautifully boxed. So if you're thinking of a beautiful gift set for Christmas for a loved one, Filofax has really beautiful boxes. Now the color I picked is the sage. Let's just have a look. Oh, this is just so pretty. So this is leather. I'm going to take the plastic sheeting so it doesn't glare. And you've got zippered pocket, inside pocket, plastic opening, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 card pockets and 2 inside pocket. We've got an elasticized pen loop at the back as well as on the front, and there we are. You can go to the filofax.com site and then choose the correct country, and let me share with you the screen. And here we are. So we have the Norfolk collection. So the colors that it comes in is, so this is the A5. So the colors it comes in, okay, we've got almond, and then lavender, sage, which is the color I have, and taupe as well. So there we have it, unboxing. I'll share more because I think this is the planner that I will be in for the month of December. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. Please click on the next video to see my other planners in the Filofax collection. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.